Kenneth, and I've been doing cardistry for about 3 years, and I came out with this move Subway last year of November 2017. It's a 4-packet card which relies on gravity and packet interaction. It's really interesting, and I really hope you'll like it. So this is the tutorial for Subway. You're going to start off in a middle grip, and you're going to swing cut the packet over to your left hand and leave it in dealer's grip. And now you're going to split the packets like this. Your index is going to take out one packet, and you're going to execute Charlier, just the first part. Now, this index finger packet is going to contact the left thumb over here, and now this packet is free to move. Your index and middle finger of your right hand are going to slide this packet down and contact these two fingers while executing a Charlier like that. After you've cleared, you're going to get this packet into a thumb cut grip. The left index is going to push this packet upwards, and it's going to be clipped with your ring finger and your pinky, while this stays in the thumb cut. After you've done that, here's the difficult part. You're going to clip this packet, your thumb and index, while your left hand thumb is going to contact your left index, pushing this down. It's like a squeeze, and you're gonna keep this two parallel. It's very important. You're gonna squeeze it downwards until it reaches a comfortable position where all the packets can be resting in your hand at the same time. So here's the little notes. This packet is being gripped by your right middle and your left fingers in general. It's in a corner position so you can hold it properly. This packet still being clipped. Now you're going to start the main motion. You're going to flip it over and push it downwards. Once you've done that, you're going to do some re-gripping. Your thumb is going to move backwards, contacting the back of this packet. While doing so, your left thumb is going to go under this packet too. Flip it over like this, and you're going to close by extending your index, pushing it forward. That's Subway. Thanks for learning, and I really want to see you guys perform it, so please tag me at Limited Clothesline, and yeah, this is my Instagram, and thanks for watching.